In this video, let's see how to send a quick SMS. In the navigation bar, click on SMS. Select Quick SMS. In the Quick SMS section, click on Send Quick to initiate a new message. In the Send Quick SMS form, select Senders. Select a recipient. Select a templates group. Select a template. You can type your own message or compose with AI. Click on Generate button. In the form, click the Choose button next to the desired AI-generated message. Enable the checkbox to include Reply Stop to opt out in the message. In the SMS section, click the Send button to send the message. In the Quick SMS section, click the Preview button to view the message. Thank you for your time.